What do you mean by a chiasmus? Well, it is a rhetorical device that uses a reverse parallel structure to create a memorable and thought-provoking effect. It consists of two clauses. The first clause presents an idea or phrase. The second clause reverses the order of the words or ideas, often with a twist or surprise. Its format is ABBA, where A and B represent phrases or ideas. Examples of chiasmus: ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country, by John F. Kennedy. The first shall be last and the last shall be first. Matthew 19:30. We shape our buildings and afterwards our buildings shape us, by Winston Churchill.